So today we're unboxing the ORA Reverse Osmosis System. Regular water filters help to purify water by removing additives and contaminants like chlorine and herbicides, whereas RO units take out everything including the mineral content. They'll get your EC levels close to zero. You've got a digital display and an easy to program menu system. The white connection at the back of the unit hooks up to your water source, the blue connection supplies purified water, and the red connection runs to a drain. You also get an array of extra bits and pieces including a three-way ball valve, tap and drain clamp. Purified water flow runs at 1.2 litres per minute or 1,728 litres per day, and there are 4 stages of filtration: a polypropylene pre-filter, a block carbon filter, an RO membrane filter, and a post-active carbon filter. These filters are replaceable, making the ORA a cost-effective long-term solution. ROs are really useful if you've got issues with nutrient deficiencies. Water that's particularly hard can be difficult to work with, and using an RO allows you to start off with a clean slate. Just make sure that you add in some CalMag to account for the lost minerals and possibly a trace mix depending on the other nutrients in your schedule. Water will come out of this system pH neutral, making your nutrient solution more stable over time, which your plants will love. With fewer contaminants, you'll also end up with cleaner, tastier produce. If you're using a humidifier in your grow room, then an RO is essential. RO water generates pure vapor, but plain tap water will plaster your equipment with salty deposits, causing it to run less efficiently. For more information, check out our website or come and see us in store. If you've enjoyed the video, leave us a like, subscribe, and let us know what you want to see next in the comments below.